From Egypt, the essence of history and the origin of all civilizations, the first edition of the air shows was in the space of the magnificent pyramids. That success had led us to accomplish another, and there comes the second edition of the air show. Air maneuvers that spread happiness in the skies of Sal Hashish City in Hurghada. And on July 23rd, in the skies of the new Alamain city, the jewel of the Mediterranean, the Egyptian Silver Stars, and the United Arab Emirates Al Forsan, with the participation of the Navy and airborne troops, where power and action are linked with joy and happiness. Al Alamain Air Show 2023.